Welcome to this tutorial on common issues with Monday.com board templates. Monday.com is a popular work operating system that enables teams to manage and track their work more efficiently. In this guide, we will explore the common issues that users face with board templates and provide practical solutions to overcome them. First, let's define what board templates are. Board templates in Monday.com are pre-designed boards that can be used to create new boards quickly. They contain preset columns, items, and workflows that can be customized to suit specific needs. One common issue with board templates is that they can be overly complex. When a template has too many columns and items, it can be difficult to navigate and customize. To avoid this issue, it's essential to choose a template that is simple and relevant to your team's needs. You can also simplify a template by removing unnecessary columns and items. Another issue is that board templates may not be tailored to specific workflows. For example, a template designed for project management may not be suitable for customer relationship management. To overcome this issue, you can customize the template to fit your workflow or create a new template from scratch. Data migration is another common issue with board templates. When you import data into a new board, it may not be formatted correctly or may be missing important information. To avoid this issue, make sure to check the data format before importing it into the new board. You can also use Monday.com's data import tool to ensure that the data is formatted correctly. Best practices for using board templates include starting with a simple template and customizing it as needed. It's also essential to test the template before using it in production to ensure that it works as expected. Additionally, you can use Monday.com's template library to find pre-designed templates that are tailored to specific workflows and use cases. In conclusion, common issues with Monday.com board templates can be avoided by choosing simple and relevant templates, customizing them to fit specific workflows, and testing them before using them in production. By following these best practices, you can create efficient and effective boards that streamline your team's work and improve productivity.